Y'all, I got Wingstop. I haven't had Wingstop in so long. I'm so excited. I want to try their new sweet chili glaze. I got their buffalo ranch fries because I don't think I've ever had the buffalo ranch. Look at those, y'all. I think I'm gonna add some cheese sauce on the buffalo ranch because, like, buffalo ranch cheese, like, that sounds amazing. These are like thick fries. Did they change their fries or is this how they come? I asked for well done. They're a little mushy, but that's okay. Yeah, are these new fries? Like, what is this? These are thick. Okay, that's good. Let's get into these sweet chili glaze ones. Ranch. Yo, look at that. Ooh, that looks good. It's giving sweet chili glaze, y'all. With the ranch. Nice little kick to them. I like that. I got the 7-piece, but I added 2 extra so I could get the glaze. Okay. I also got hot honey. Look at that. And then, I had to get the garlic parm. Okay. Let's do the hot honey with honey mustard. Look at all that seasoning on there. That's going to be good. I said well done, and they gave me well done. Nice little crunch on there. Garlic parm. Yum. Wingstop did good tonight. Yum.